Today will be my third attempt at unboxing these 2026 Disneyland Wave A Hidden Disney pins. Yes, I'll explain the outfit soon. These were released in April of 2026, and they are available at Disneyland in these silver and green bags for $22.99 per bag, and there are 2 pins in each bag. So this is a 37 pin collection that's broken up into 6 different pin series, which are the ear headbands, film anniversaries, castles, Disney buses, cupcakes, and holidays. There we go, got them all. So if you want more information on this pin series, on how they're packaged together in groups and by pairs, be sure to check out the first unboxing video I did of these where I go into all of that info. But for right now, let's get right to it and open these up and see what we get. So I have 10 bags here to open up, which is 20 pins total. And this is my third attempt at unboxing these Wave A bags. And right now I have 25 out of the 37 pins. So I'm only missing 12 pins. And out of those 12 pins, I'm missing 2 chase pins and that super chaser. So hopefully I get one or all of those in this unboxing, but I understand my odds of getting some pins that I need are pretty low. So I wouldn't be surprised if I only get 1 or 2 out of these 12, or maybe none. But let's find out what we get. And I am wearing some Haunted Mansion stuff here. So I got my Hatbox Ghost t-shirt on, and then I've got this Haunted Mansion wallpaper coat on because I really want that Madame Leota Super Chaser ear headband pin. So I'm hoping that wearing these items can kind of conjure that pin out of these bags. So let's see if it works. All right, so bag 1 here. What do we got? I don't know what this is. This is, oh, I can tell it's a bus, and it is Ariel. So we have the Ariel bus, kind of that aqua blue on the front of the bus, and we have Ariel's face on the side. Very nice. And I do have that one. And buses come with holidays. So let's see what holiday I get. This is kind of a big one from the back. And this one is, oh, it's winter. So we have Dale, and he is forming snow angels in the snow. That is cool. And the hidden Mickey's right under his arm there. So I do have both of those. All right. Come on, Madame Leota, where are you? This is a film anniversary. So I think I'm missing, what am I missing? I'm missing 2 of these. Let's see if this is one I need. And it's not, but it's Mater. So we have Mater, got some purple in the background, and we have the little Pixar ball logo up there. And Mater. Very cool. And film anniversaries come with cupcakes. And since I already have Mater, I most likely have this cupcake, but I do need the chaser cupcake, right? I do. I still have 2 cupcakes to go here. And this one is Donald. So we have the Donald cupcake, the yellow and white frosting there, and we have his hat on the top of the cupcake, and we have a bow there with a blue bottom of the cupcake. All right. So I have that one too. And that is, I think I said in my last video that since these are paired together, most of the time, if you unbox one that you already have, then you're probably gonna get the next one that you already have too. But it could be a chaser, so you never know. So this is a castle. So I'm missing 2 castles, and the castle series is the one I want to complete the most. And I think I'm missing the first 2 castles, Matterhorn and Small World, I believe. So let's see what this one is. It is the Matterhorn. Nice. Hey, I got one that I needed. 1 down, 11 to go. So we have the Matterhorn. Oh, that's cool. You have the waterfall coming off the side there, and a little hidden Mickey down in the corner. That is cool. And the good thing about that is since I don't have the Matterhorn, the pin that the Matterhorn comes with, I probably don't have either. Or this could be the chase, or it could be the super chaser. Oh, here we go. This is where my my Haunted Mansion stuff comes into play. Will it be the super chaser? It is not, but it is Pain and Panic. Or is it Hades? is it Hades and Pain and Panic? I think it's all three. So we have some Hades fire right in the middle of the ear headband. And then on one side we have Pain and the other side we have Panic. I always forget which one is which, but I do see the little tails of both of them there in the ears. So that is cool. And I don't have that one. So that was a really good bag for me. I guess that works in your favor too, since they're packaged in pairs. So if you get one you don't have, good chance you're getting another one you don't have. I've got 2 down. All right, let's see what this is. Looks like a bus. And it is a bus. And it is the Queen of Hearts. Now I think the Queen of Hearts, I have this one, but isn't this a chaser? It is a chaser. So this is the bus chaser. We have a red bus with the Queen of Hearts on the side, and she's just angry as usual. And that means this will come with, the buses come with holidays. So this could be any holiday, and I am still missing 2. So let's see what we get. Oh, I can tell from the back. That's a surfboard. So this is the summer holiday. So we have Dale, and he is walking with a surfboard above him. That is a cool one. I do have that one though. So those are 2 that I have. And we'll grab from this one over here. All right. So this is our 5th bag. Ooh, it's a castle. Yes. All right. So I'm only missing 1 castle, and that means they're also going to have an ear headband in here. So this castle is, ooh, it's the Pixar Place castle. So this is the Chaser castle. So we have the Pixar Place design, and we do have the Pixar ball and lamp right there. And we've got all the different colors there. I really love this one. This is like my favorite castle, I think. And that is the Chase castle. So that means this could come with any ear headband. And I am still missing a few. So let's see what we got. And well, we got the same one. We have another Hades. What is it actually called? Ear headband. I have it like a chart back here. Oh, it's actually called Pain and Panic. So it is Pain and Panic. So we got our first double of this unboxing. I'll put the doubles down here because I'm going to run out of room, maybe run out of room, unless if everything else is a double. All right, so we're getting into our last 5 bags here. Let's see what this one is. And it is another castle. That's what I want to see. I want to see all castles. Okay, here we go. Let's see which castle it is. And it's another Matterhorn. So we have another Matterhorn castle. So that means this is most likely coming with another Pain and Panic ear headband, but it could be a Chaser ear headband or a Super Chaser. Come on, Madame Leota. And it's another Pain and Panic. So we have our 3rd Pain and Panic of this unboxing. So there we go. All right. Well, I am not doing so good with getting the 12 that I'm missing. I think I've got 2 new ones, so I'm missing 10 now. And this looks like another bus. And I am missing a bus. I think I'm missing Winnie the Pooh. That's the only bus I need. And it is Dumbo. So we have the Dumbo bus, and it's got like a light blue on the front and then a different light blue on the side with Dumbo. And he's got his hat on there. And we'll put this down here. And Dumbo, the buses come with holidays. So could be that Christmas Chaser. So I need that one, but it's not. It is the Halloween one. So we have Dale popping out of the jack-o'-lantern. Love that design though. That I believe is my favorite holiday one. All right, 3 bags to go. Still no Madame Leota. My clothes are not working here, but this is another castle. I can see the bottom of the castle. Let's see what we have here. We have the Grand Californian one. So this one is really cool. So it's like a kind of a gradient, almost looks like a sunset, and it has some pine trees on there. And it does say Grand Californian Hotel on there. So that is a cool one. So we got both hotel ones here. And this will come with an ear headband. So this could be Madame Leota. Let's see. Well, it's got nothing on the back, so nothing sticking up anyway. And it is Snow White. So we have the Snow White. We have like kind of a yellow headband part, and then we have Snow White's, looks like the shoulders of her dress, and then her bow on the top. Very cool. Those are both ones I have. Doing pretty good so far as getting unique ones. It's just getting the ones I need. All right, 2 more bags to go, and it's a castle. All right, here we go. We got another shot at Madame Leota. So this castle is the Dalmatians castle. So this one is pretty cool. It has a bunch of Dalmatian spots on it, but I do like the little paw prints that go through the castle. That's a good design too. And then this one could be the Chaser or Super Chaser. Let's see what we have here. And it is the Tiki Birds. So we have 2 Tiki Birds on both sides, on the ears, and some flowers in the middle. So that is the pin that the Dalmatian castle comes with. So we're down to 1 bag. Is it a castle? I don't know. It feels kind of big, kind of like a bus. I think this is another bus. So hopefully it's Winnie the Pooh. Oh, it's not. It's a film anniversary. I am still missing a few of those. So let's see if it's one I need. And it is. It's Milo. Milo from Atlantis. There's a green background. Very cool. A little hidden Mickey up on the top. So that is good. So that, now I'm only missing 1 of the film anniversaries, but the thing that's good about that is I don't have Milo, so that means Milo comes with a cupcake. So maybe this is one of the cupcakes I'm missing, and I can tell from the back that it is. It is Angel. So you have the Angel cupcake. She's got big ears sticking out of the side, and then she has whatever those other little antenna type things coming down the side, and then her nose is in the bottom of the cupcake. So that at least ended on a good note there, getting 2 that I don't have, but my Haunted Mansion clothes didn't work. Madame Leota, where are you? So that was my 3rd attempt at these 2026 Disneyland Wave A Hidden Disney pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite that I unboxed today. My favorite here, just out of the new ones that I got, is the Matterhorn Castle. I love the Castle series, and it's really cool to see the Matterhorn on there with the little waterfall. So that is my favorite one here. So this unboxing kind of went how I was expecting. I needed 12 pins, and I figured I'd get maybe 2 to 6 of those, and it came in right in the middle. I ended up with 4 new ones. So now I only need 8 pins, but the problem is out of those 8 pins, you have 2 chase pins and 1 super chase pin. So still a little ways to go there. And I'm really disappointed that my Haunted Mansion clothing didn't conjure up the Madame Leota pin. What's going on there? And this series has been a little bit different for me because they never sold out. So after my first unboxing, I was able to get 10 more bags. And then right after the second unboxing, my son was down at Disneyland for a few days, and he was like, hey, do you want me to get you any pins? So I was like, yeah, get me some of these pins. And then he also got me this Pirates of the Caribbean pin with Mickey. I thought that one was pretty cool. And then this new Tomorrowland pin that has all the little different ride vehicles and stuff in Tomorrowland. I thought that pin was super cool too. But yeah, the next series of the Hidden Disney pins are coming out. The rumor is summer, so they might be out before you see this video. And they do have the Disneyland D series pins in them. So that one will probably sell out. So I'll get my 10 bags, hopefully. Then it'll sell out. Then I have to wait 2 or 3 months for it to come in to do my second unboxing. So I kind of like the way this one worked, right? I just could buy them anytime I wanted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.